So today I'm showing you on this forklift the different buttons. So right now, before you go into a forklift, you need to know your buttons. So, and you just have to get familiar with the buttons. So first is the chair. Right now, when you go into the forklift, you need to set the chair according to your height. Like this one, you press, you lift it up, it goes back and forward. You go in the forklift. Now this is your station. So this is the handbrake. You press, you push it forward, you start. Here is the key where I started. You start right now here. So I started, just open, forward, off. I started right now. So now this, so I lift up. This is to lift up. And I'm lifting by pulling backward. And then I need to push forward. I push this handle forward to bring down. So I'm testing. So I just discovered now that to pull it up, like let's say you are picking a load, you pull backward this button, it goes up, the fork goes up, and then push forward, the fork goes down. Yes, and this one is tilting. I push backward, it tilts. So you push the button forward, it tilts forward. This is shifting left and right. I pull it backward on my side, it shifts left, right, left, right. So the shifting is that when you are busy working, you want to arrange a pallet. If you didn't put the pallet properly as the way you wanted, you can shift a little bit. You know, you can slide it a little bit. The same as this one. When you carry a pallet, you shift, you tilt backward to secure your pallet. That's why this is for. And then this is your horn here. And you put your handle, you put your hand here, your left hand, to drive with one hand on the steering wheel. Over here is the accelerator. Over here is the brake. So this is like the clutch. So before I start, I press a bit on the clutch to start. This is your brake. And this is the accelerator. As you are pressing, it takes the speed. This is the accelerator. And this is the brake. So let me put off. Oh, this is the light here. This is the light. This is the handle of the light. You know? Yes. So, and then let me remove the brake and then go forward. Forward is here, backward here. If I want to go forward, I just push forward, I press the accelerator, I go forward. I brake over here. I brake over here. Backward, this button, I press backward, I start going backward, and then I brake. Forward, I push forward, this is the speed, backward, forward, backward, forward. This is the neutral. I push forward, and then I start pushing the accelerator. I brake, it stop. I'm going backward, I press here. Yeah, so now you know the buttons. You know the button forward, backward. You know all your handle. You are ready to go and carry a load.